this is a big order. Extra size of pho with oxtail, beef brisket, meatballs, oxtail, tendons. There, very small tendons today. Okay, got 1 and 2. In-order ko lang ito, hati tayo. Kasi I don't eat that much.
Okay.
Umorder ako ng tofu kaya may rice.
Oh, yeah.
Ah. Yummy. Brisket. Yummy. I can have all of it. Alright. Here's your, here's the, put lemon and lime to my, siya ang ating waitress. And because it's been a long time we've seen her. So we ordered also crispy tofu. Yummy. I like mostly noodles than soup. You like soup than noodles. What a match, what a match. Spicy, spicy. More spicy. More spicy. Good.